Here are 6 mistakes that may delay the mortgage process. Number 1. Making false statements or omissions. You need to be truthful if someone else pays your rent, if you're required to pay child or spousal support, if you'll be terminated soon or quit your job. Number 2. Be available to answer questions. Since you're applying for a loan, most likely for over $100,000, you should expect some requests. Underwriters tend to require additional documents from you. It is best to respond quickly. Number 3. Job changes. Quitting or changing jobs into a completely different industry. Changing your job from W-2 to 1099. However, it is okay if you are changing to a higher-paying job in the same industry and same pay structure. Number 4. Opening new credit. It is not wise to apply for new credit like a credit card, auto loan, or cosign for anyone, and that includes student loans. Number 5. Changing your down payment. Changing the amount of your down payment or where it comes from can put your file right back into underwriting. Number 6. Changing your loan program. FHA, VA, and loans without traditional documentation all have their own set of rules. Changing it midway can set you back another 3 to 7 days. If you are ready for a mortgage, start today with First Nationwide Mortgage.